Hey guys, what I want to come to talk to you today is a bookkeeping business plan example. So we're just going to make it extremely simple how to make your business plan. And before we go any further, if you want to avoid a lot of mistakes that most people make when running and growing their business, if you want to go and really reach your goal and the most time effective way possible, go ahead and click on the link inside the description below to book a call with me. On the call, we're going to say, hey, like, where are you right now? Where do you want to go? What does this process look like for you to be able to grow your business? And if it makes sense, we can work long-term together inside of the Six-Figure Firms mentorship program, where I help people go from about 0 to about 6 figures in the shortest time period possible. If that's you, I'll see you on the call. But going back to what we're saying, so now personally, I recommend inside of your client plan having at least 2 clients for about $1,000 per month. Then you can have the rest of them who are more at the $500 per month. So actually, even taking that back, you want to have at least 2 clients that are paying you $2,000 per month. And then the rest of them on the plan could be like $500 per month. Now, keep in mind, guys, like to get a $2,000 per month client, it does take a little bit of sales skills. So, you might need some help, to be honest. Like some people want to try it on their own, and yeah, you might be able to go and get 1 client for 2,000 a month, but you're probably going to undercharge it, right? So not every $2,000 client is good. For example, sometimes like there's Intuit slash QuickBooks Live will offer you guys for like 20 hours a week or even 30, 40 hours a week, they'll give you like 1,000 or 1,200 or even 2,000, right? Okay, cool. But in a lot of cases, that might be undervaluing, and it's actually over 20 hours a week, and they're just overworking you, and it's just not the best. Versus if you know how to charge a flat rate, it doesn't matter how many hours you work, then it can be a little bit of an easier $2,000 per month. And oftentimes, when you're trying to sell a flat rate, right, if you just come out and say, it's $2,000 a month, a lot of business owners can't conceptualize why they would pay someone $2,000 or 500 or 3,000 or $1,000, right? So you have to know how to set up the price inside of your compensation. Like I always give people, I call it the 6-figure sales flow because it basically is just a set of checkboxes you have to go through in sequential order for them to understand, right? So before you drop your price, you should probably give them some perspective as to, like what is an average bookkeeper charging? Also, you need to be able to put in perspective, like why are we charging a flat rate instead of hourly? Also, you gotta be like, hey, like how much does good help actually cost? Also, like why it's better get good help rather than bad help? Like there's all these like little micro steps that you need to kind of set them up, right? In order for them to be willing to pay you like 2 grand a month. Even more so, like in order for them to be willing to pay you like $500 per month, right? Because I do know the plan is based on $500 a month clients, right? But a lot of people when they're starting out, like they have really false beliefs about how much money people are willing to pay. And then you see like bookkeepers and accountants charging like $100 a month or $200 a month, $300 a month. And it's not necessarily that the clients that you speak to can't afford to pay you more money. It's just if you don't know how to explain the value properly, they don't really see the reason why, and they generally will try and either accept like a very low flat rate, or they'll try and make you go hourly, which in a lot of cases, if you try and sell hourly and you don't know how to actually get a higher hourly price, like above 50, above 60, above 70, above 100, it makes it very hard for you to make any money doing hourly. And that's why most people kind of want to charge a flat rate, because then you can just like charge a huge hourly rate and you package it all together and it's just like a flat monthly price, right? Now, because it's a flat monthly price, yeah, it is easier on the side of you because you can be more efficient, you can get really good. Both sides know exactly how much money it's going to be, and it makes it really easy for you to predict your revenue. But at the same time, they're not going to understand why they need to be paying that, and they're going to try and default to hourly. So you really have to be good at setting that thing up correctly so that people know exactly why they need to be paying that much money. And that's really how I'd be going, and how I'd be really thinking about my business plan. Is you got to start thinking about like what does the amount of money you want to make look like? You got to have a goal. Like first, if it's 100,000, okay, cool. So that means that you're gonna need what? A $2,000 client. Then you're gonna need two $2,000 clients. Then you're going to need, what is that? 12 $500 per month clients. Very simple, very easy. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully this kind of shed some light into like how to kind of plan for the business, what you need to be expecting, what you need to be thinking about, and just some different things that you haven't really thought about before. Now, if you want some help going and growing your business, maybe you want to go and reach your goal in the shortest time period possible. Maybe you want, just like we talked about today, people who are actively involved in your success, who each want to help each other out inside of a program, and like just a community of people that want to help and who refer clients to each other. If you want to learn more about that and you want to see if this is a good fit for you, go ahead and click on the link inside of the description or the comment section below to book a call with me to see if I can help you. Okay, there's really no point in kind of like waiting. I know a lot of people like waiting and they like thinking about things, but I mean, if you're going to be successful in business, like you got to make good decisions really quickly, and you got to be swift and you got to be able to trust yourself. So it's kind of like, the faster you get on the call, the faster you join the program, the easier it is for you to go and make some money, because you're going to expect other people to do the same. So hopefully I see you on the call. If not, if you're not quite ready right now, that's a-okay. Keep watching more videos, keep learning more stuff. And then maybe in the future, I'll see you on a call. And if not, I'll talk to you soon and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.